ASDC rat Chari asong atum pen amethang asaihem along pherangke amai kangni. Pinenarlo porpai ke thomalom ASDC rat Chari asong atum pen amethang asaihem along the semet Assam le pen Meghalaya ang bong give and take policy puthak pherangke amai ingni pon.
And in an agreement for still disputed border areas in Kamrup and Kashar district bordering Meghalaya by adopting the give and take policy. Now, if this is the case, government is going to adopt the same yardstick in the context of the border problem of Karbi Anglong, which is not at all acceptable and also not the correct step. The solution should be in the context of the government application of 1951 during the creation of all the hill districts in northeast, including Karbi Anglong, North Kachar, Kasiyankia, and Missouri districts, which was reiterated by the government in 1952 during the creation of autonomous councils, and also the Assam reorganizations of 1969, and also Northeast reorganizations of 1972. We shall not part an inch of Karbi Anglong land to other, nor will we take land that belongs to others.
Idam tangar ni penangan Assam la pen Meghalaya ang bong give and take policy pu amen pen lamdon ka chitok jiapan alam klanglo. Patumia Bangke Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma lapen Meghalaya Chief Minister Comrade Sangma tum New Delhi along Amit Shah along Pupua Hawar Matia State Border Puthak Lamdon Chitok Damlo. Asona ahlong inut bang hinia Bangke Karbi Anglong arlo along le sitami dunjui tahay ustami alam klanglo. Lapusona hud pini ASDC asong atum labang so Assam lapen Meghalaya ang bong Lamdon Puthak long trok adim ke jongji pon pami medet amen paklang dak nang ji pusi ASDC atum jongpon anparta Kajironga National Park kapathei thuji pu amen pen project ke deng aputhak sitame lamthe paklang pon lepen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke 6 dil hawar lepen amethang jakong do Karbi Anglong arlo along le ke ponji pusitame Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen NOC long nangji kali pulote long le mate claim un energy lepen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen NOC pipon pelang pusi ASDC asong atom ninje pon apitu tet ki untang Karbi Anglong arlo Karbi ariso ijang atumapan RDP pon vek tangji boreng ang hoi pek pon nangji alang tumapan panungkuk longle ilap nangji uta lamthe paklang pon Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kidigalong inglong khai kalidat atumapan vote pajok longle pu aputhak Guwahati High Court pen Huwang kipi pon aputhak sitame apora teng pen arona teng pen kaselam pon pen kapatang pon labjia pan sitame lamthe paklang pon pen kilik sitame votar list kaselam amen pen kilik abang aphi ke pon kuthedat jia phanda ASDC asong pen ninje pon ifu pen Rajiv Rongpi report Karbi Daily News.